Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect pocket option to TradingView and if this is possible. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so inside of TradingView doesn't have an option to directly integrate with pocket option, meaning you can't log in and place trades in TradingView into pocket option automatically, but you can still connect and use both together in a couple of different ways. So I'm just going to quickly show you the first way, which is use TradingView for analysis and also pocket option for execution. So the first thing what we need to do is open up TradingView. This can be the website or app. Then set up your chart, choose indicators, timeframes, drawings, and then go ahead and open up a pocket option in another tab window. This can be on your phone, but I'm just going to use a dual tab here. And now go ahead and use TradingView chart for technical analysis. When you see a signal set up, and manually go back and place the trade on pocket option. Now, this is the most common way traders connect the two. TradingView gives advanced charting tools, while pocket option is just simply for execution. To make the most of this setup, try and have two screens going side by side and not having two tabs like myself would be a lot easier.